Hey everyone, it's Mike the Mortgage Jedi. Today we're diving into July 2025 real estate and mortgage updates that you need to hear. If you're thinking about buying a home, refinancing, or just waiting to see how this market plays out, this is your roadmap. Rates have moved, obviously. Inventory is shifting and buyers are coming back. And in the next 60 to 90 days could be the most strategic window we've seen all year. So let's jump in. Last week I got a call from a client, Jason. He said, Mike, I've been sitting on the sidelines all year waiting for rates to drop. He said, now I'm hearing they finally are. Should I jump back in before things go crazy again? And you know what? Jason's not alone. That same question is coming in from first-time home buyers, homeowners with high interest rates, and investors wondering if it's finally time to make a move. So here's what I told him and what I'm going to break down for you today. So first, what's happening with rates, where buyer activity is heading, and the smartest plays that you can make right now depending on your situation. So first, let's talk some numbers. As of mid-July 2025, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate has dipped to 6.625. That's down from over 7.1% just 2 months ago. Now, 6.65 might not sound exciting if you're dreaming of 4% again, but that drop is already creating momentum. Agents in cities like Atlanta, Dallas, Minneapolis are seeing listings get more showings. Homes are starting to sell faster. Bidding wars are slowly returning, especially on well-priced homes. Here's the stat that stopped me in my tracks. So, according to the National Association of Realtors, if mortgage rates drop to around 6%, we could see 5.5 million additional buyers enter into the market. That's right, think about it. 5.5 million people who are currently sitting on the sidelines that would jump at that threshold. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer. And savvy buyers and investors are getting positioned now for when that happens. All right, let's switch and talk about inventory. So National LV.housing inventory is up 13% year over year. That's giving buyers a bit more breathing room compared to this last year. But we're still not in a true buyer's market, not yet. Supply is climbing, but demand is climbing right along with it. So, big question, what should you be doing right now? Well, if you're a first-time home buyer, now is the time to get pre-approved and get all your financials in order. If you wait until rates hit 6% and everyone else jumps in, you'll be competing with 10 other offers, not just 2. Be the buyer who's already ready to go. If you're a homeowner with a rate of 7%, you should be watching the market closely also, because now you're entering the refinance savings window. Even at 6.65%, you could lower your monthly payment significantly. If we hit 6.25% or below, that's your green light. Remember, refinancing doesn't always mean starting over. You can refinance it to a 25, 20, or even a 15-year and shave years off of your loan. If you're an investor, this market is ripe with opportunity. Rents are stable, values are steady, DSCR loans are still available with very competitive terms. If you're sitting on a HELOC or a HELoan or floating rate debt, now is the time to lock in fixed financing and protect your cash flow. We've also seen a rise in investors move into 15-year mortgages because they want to build equity faster while rates are relatively manageable. So the bottom line, there's no perfect time to buy or refinance, but there is a smart time, and that smart time is when you are prepared. You don't need to time the market like a pro. You just need to be ready to move when opportunity knocks. And that knock is really starting to get louder these days. So here's what I recommend. If you're not sure what numbers look like, text me update to 702-291-9889. I'll run a custom scenario for your zip code, your loan goals, and your timeline. Or you can book a link for a free call using the link in the description. We'll walk you through your current situation and map out your next move step by step. So if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for weekly mortgage insights, and drop a comment below. What city are you in, and what are you seeing in your local market? Are buyers back? Are rates making you hesitate? Or are you ready to jump in? Let's definitely talk about this in the comments. I reply to everyone. Once again, I'm Mike the Mortgage Jedi, helping you navigate the real estate force with clarity, strategy, and a plan that actually works. So until next time, stay ready, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.